Would you like to melt away the day's tension and stress right before bed so you can get the best sleep of your life? Hi, I'm Cheyenne, co-founder of Mend Your Mental, and we want to show you this little unique device right here. We use our product ourselves nearly every day because we deal with the same issues that you might be facing. Anxiety and insomnia of all origins is dealt with by calming the source of our uncomfortable physical sensations like restlessness and a pounding heart, our nervous system. You can click the link down below this video and get your chill pill now. Our customers are finding relief from insomnia that has plagued them for years, helping their hyper children wind down for bed, relieving cravings from negative coping mechanisms, even helping migraines. And right now, I want to revolutionize the way that you go about easing and relaxing the everyday tension and stress that you experience. And listen, we are more than confident that this will be the end-all solution that you've been hoping for. So we're giving you a 14-day test drive, meaning you have nothing to lose, yet everything to gain. So click the link right below this video and give yourself the sleep that you've been craving for today. As the chemical messengers that influence and connect all of your nerve cells together, your neurons have the ability to soothe or excite your entire body from head to toe. The electronic waves pulsing from the chill pill send a message that it's time to relax and let the tension melt away. And maybe if that's what you're using it for, drift off to sleep. This revolutionary connection from hand to head is the latest innovation in mental therapy. By calming the system that flows through our entire body, we are able to alleviate the symptoms of insomnia, all sorts of anxiety, unhealthy cravings, and so much more. In short, this means that anxiety, insomnia, overwhelming stress, and unhealthy mental habits could be a thing of the past. If you're sleeping better and thinking better, then surely you'll be living better too. Tomorrow can be better, but only if you take action and try something different. So thank you for watching, and if you like what you saw in this video, it's just the beginning. Click the link now, and I look forward to seeing how the chill pill can change your life.
This has honestly been a complete lifesaver.
I found this and you guys, amazing.
An absolute game changer.
It's this discreet little device you can use anywhere, anytime when you're feeling anxious, and I am obsessed.
If you suffer from anxiety or insomnia, this is the thing for you.
It uses electrotherapy stimulation to send soothing pulses to your brain that tells your mind and body that it's time to relax and calm down.
With this small device, you're able to help reduce anxiety and get better sleep from the comfort of your own home.
This makes going through the stores a lot easier, dealing with traffic a lot easier, just dealing with my everyday going on.
Super portable. I take it with me in my purse. I use it at nighttime. You can just fall asleep with it in your hand.
And all you do is hold it.
The best part about the chill pill is that it's 100% natural and non-addictive. Definitely check out the chill pill for yourself.
I have really bad anxiety, and recently I moved and changed jobs, and that stress was just a little bit too much for me, and I stopped sleeping. My insomnia got out of control. I was telling my friend about all these problems, and she said I should try out the chill pill from Mend Your Mental. So I was like, okay, I'll get it, I'll give it a shot. And amazingly enough, using it for the first time, I laid down, I put it in my hand, and turned it on, and within 20 minutes, I fell asleep so fast. I slept through the night, and when I woke up, I felt, refreshed, which I hadn't done in a long time. I'm not exactly sure how it works, but it gives you these short pulses in your hand, and it only stays on for the 20 minutes. And it calms you, it soothes you, it kind of just takes it away. Like I said, I don't know how it works, but it works for me, and maybe it'll work for you. If you have problems with anxiety, I would definitely check out the chill pill from Mend Your Mental.